Hi guys, thank you for joining me. Today we'll be making a delicious spicy chicken and egg drop soup. I hope you enjoy and follow along with me. And here we have our list of ingredients, but don't worry, it's very simple to make. You make it in 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, so this soup is full of protein with the eggs and the chicken. It's very flavorful with the ginger and garlic and sesame oil. And it's gonna be nice and spicy with the ají caballero or your choice of pepper, spicy pepper, okay? Now we're adding sugar to caramelize our chicken. That's your choice. It's always optional if you would like to caramelize your chicken. If you don't want to, that's okay. And once your chicken hits the pan, oh, you're gonna love the smell with the garlic and ginger. Oh, it's amazing. Go ahead and allow your chicken breast to cook about 3 minutes on each side. Now the caramelization of the sugar on the bottom of the pan is going to taste good, okay? It's not burned at all. It's going to bring a lot of good flavor to your soup. Let your chicken be the last thing to add, because since it's too chunky and you want to properly stir in your eggs, it'll be a lot easier to stir in your eggs if the chicken's not there. Now your soup is done. I hope you've enjoyed this process of making it, and even better, eating it. You're gonna love each and every flavor of this soup, whether it's summer, spring, fall, winter, snowing, raining, or a beautiful hot day. You're gonna love this soup. Okay, enjoy, and thank you so much for joining me. Leave a comment, share, and subscribe if you liked it. Thank you.